Hi, I'm Chad. In this video, I will show you how to update your credit card information in Boma. If you have changed bank provider or would like to be charged from a different account, you have the ability to change this in the product. Let me show you how to do this. Start by clicking on the Settings button and then click on the Billing submenu. In here, click on Update Billing. Once clicked, you will have the option to add the new credit card number that you would like to use. If you would like to learn more about updating credit cards, feel free to reach out to our support team on support@bomamarketing.com or use the chat bubble in your Boma account. Thanks so much and bye for now.